To our guest speaker, Mr. Pierre S. Jimenez.
By virtue as the duly representative 2024-2025, Advisor, do hereby confer you graduates of City of San Fernando Tecboc Batch 2020 and never stop seeking ways to grow. Whether you choose higher education, entrepreneurship, or employment, let us to dream big, yet remain humble, and now
also in its personal mission to inspire and uplift.
Again po, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. To our guest, the Chief, our PSTS, Ma'am Chai, our officer in charge, Ma'am Karen, and our one of the barangay officials here in Barangay San Isidro.
Conservation Superintendent of Jerry Cruz. Kami po ay
and schoolmates, then to our cherished families and friends.
our teachers, the determination of our students, the trust of
the graduate of City of San Fernando Tecboc Senior High School, in order that we may become